Hi, this is Mike from Stagecoach Road Sewing, and we've got a real nice machine to share with you today. We have a new home double duty made by Janome. This is a nice manual zigzag machine, meaning that as the needle zigs and zags, the bobbin case and hook zig and zag along with the needle. Interesting design, very, very popular, very common back when this machine was built. Built in Japan, by the way. Excuse me. As I mentioned, by the Janome company, who's pretty famous for good quality. And this is like buying a Janome machine back when Janome machines were made with all steel, high quality steel too. We have the original owner manual for it, and as you can see, the cover has come loose, so got it paper clipped on there. And we have the original lifetime guarantee that the sewing machine came with, that if it's ever found to have defective parts, that you can take it back and they'll repair or replace the parts for free. And then you have the Stagecoach Road sewing guarantee, that if anything ever goes wrong with this machine, it's been fully restored, it's in excellent condition, and we're comfortable offering this guarantee that if anything ever goes wrong with it, you send it back or bring it back to us and we'll fix it for free. You, of course, will pay for any parts or shipping, but we have that confidence in the quality of the machine itself and in the work that we do, that we can offer that guarantee. You'll find it on our website, stagecoachroadsewing.com. I'll tell you more about that later, but we're just about to do the final test here on this machine. It's been, of course, tested before, but we always do a final test, which we video, so you can see what exactly to expect before you buy. So we're going to start our demonstration with a piece of sheeting. And let's start with a straight stitch. Okay, we're starting our demonstration with a straight stitch. And reverse. Nice even stitch. Well balanced. And it does a really fine small stitch. Okay, let's do a zigzag. Maybe just a little bit tight for this thin material, but tension adjustment is something that you'll be doing at home. Depending on the weight of your fabric. Sometimes you have to adjust the tension down a little bit for a light fabric like that. Let's see. We'll go back to a straight stitch, and we're going to sew 2 layers of denim. No effort whatsoever to sew that 2 layers of denim. Okay, we're going to sew 8 layers of denim. We've got 2 layers here that we've already started. We're going to fold that in half to make 4 layers. And we're going to fold it again. So now we've got 8 layers of denim here that we're going to sew. Okay, 8 layers of denim. Again, reverse, and forward. Eight layers. Eight layers of denim. And here we have some leather. This is split leather, like you might make moccasins out of, or buckskin clothes. We're going to double it so that we're going to sew 2 layers. And I'm not going to change the needle. This is a sharp needle, and for sewing leather you'd want to use, of course, a leather needle, because it cuts a different type of hole that makes a stronger seam. It has a wedge point on it instead of a sharp point. Okay, 2 layers of leather. Add a little more pressure there. See, no strain, no effort. This is a good, solid sewing machine. All steel inside, of course. There you have it. Pretty much it. Straight stitch and zigzag. And it does it well. And again, our web address is stagecoachroadsewing.com. We live up here on Stagecoach Road in the Coast Range of Oregon, so that's stagecoachroadsewing.com. And that's where you'll find lots of nice mid-century Japanese, German, American, Swiss, Swedish made sewing machines that are built to last, built out of good quality steel. So, stagecoachroadsewing.com. We'll see you there.